If you're someone who is dealing with pigmented lips, and if you feel like that your lips tends to get really dry and like really dehydrated, this is the product that you want to get right now.
Now this is a lip wash. It has 0.5% alpha arbutin and 1% PHA lactobionic acid.
Alpha arbutin helps reduce pigmentation and dark spot. It helps brighten your skin and improve your skin tone. It helps out even your skin tone. While lactobionic acid helps lift away dull, dead skin cells, unclog pores, and minimize hyperpigmentation on your lips.
So now after you exfoliate your lips, you do a proper scrubbing of your lips. What is the next step to it? Now we need a very good lip butter mask. So this is the lip butter mask.
Oh my god, the lips get instantly smoothened and super clean. You feel very much clean, like deeply clean. So yes, so if you're someone who wants pink, plum, hydrated, really moisturized and soft lips with no pigmentation, grab this combination. You are gonna get amazing results with this.
Nothing feels better